Spraying some clear coat on Project Step It Up custom bedwood. Leslie Webb Designs custom made all this wood for us. It's mahogany and maple glued together. We've got provision for our Marquet truck parts bed strips, and we made a custom gas funnel for the center. It's billet aluminum. And then we put some custom stainless tie downs in the corners here. So Leslie made provision for all of that stuff, and it's dialed in. She did all these really nice notches for clearance for all of our bolts. We just put 3 coats of clear on it. Gonna let that dry. I wanted to preserve it right away so that no fingerprints or anything get on it, so sprayed it immediately as soon as we got it. And then we'll flip it over once this dries and do the bottom, then sand it and re-clear it. Love the way this turned out.